Mastering quality procedure. Operational teams either master corrective action or jeopardize performance excellence. How do our operational teams ensure a corrective action program is properly implemented and continuously maintained to drive operational excellence and sustain desired performance levels within our quality management system? Our operational teams ensure a corrective action program is properly implemented and continuously maintained to drive operational excellence and sustain desired performance levels within our quality management system by following a structured approach that involves several key steps. Firstly, the team identifies and reports non-conformities or opportunities for improvement through various sources such as customer complaints, internal audits, management reviews, and employee suggestions. These reports are documented and reviewed to determine the root cause of the issue, using techniques such as root cause analysis, RCA, or failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. Upon identification of the root cause, the team develops and implements a corrective action plan that outlines the necessary steps to prevent recurrence of the issue. The plan includes specific actions, responsible personnel, target completion dates, and metrics to measure effectiveness. The plan is reviewed and approved by relevant stakeholders, including management and quality representatives. The corrective action plan is then implemented, and its progress is monitored and tracked to ensure timely completion of the assigned tasks. The team verifies the effectiveness of the corrective actions by collecting and analyzing data, conducting testing or trials, or performing audits to ensure that the issue has been resolved and the desired performance level has been achieved. To ensure that the corrective actions are sustained over time, the team embeds the changes into standard operating procedures, SOPs, and work instructions, revises training programs, and updates quality objectives and targets as necessary. The team also conducts regular reviews and assessments to ensure that the corrective actions remain effective and that no new issues have arisen. Moreover, our operational teams recognize that a corrective action program is not a one-time event, but rather a continuous process that requires ongoing monitoring and evaluation. To this end, they establish key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics to measure the effectiveness of the corrective action program, such as the number of repeat non-conformities, customer satisfaction ratings, and defect rates. The team also conducts regular management reviews to assess the effectiveness of the corrective action program, identify areas for improvement, and allocate resources necessary to support continuous improvement. The review process involves evaluating the corrective action program's performance against established KPIs, reviewing customer feedback and complaints, and assessing the program's impact on overall business objectives. In addition, our operational teams recognize the importance of employee involvement and engagement in driving operational excellence. To this end, they provide ongoing training and coaching to employees on the corrective action program, quality principles, and tools and techniques for continuous improvement. The team encourages employee participation in identifying and implementing corrective actions, and recognizes and rewards employees for their contributions to the program's success. Finally, our operational teams recognize that a corrective action program is an integral part of our overall quality management system. To this end, they ensure that the program is integrated with other quality processes, such as continuous improvement, employee training, and supplier management. The team also ensures that the corrective action program is regularly audited and assessed for compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and internal policies and procedures. By following this structured approach, our operational teams can ensure that the corrective action program is properly implemented and continuously maintained to drive operational excellence and sustain desired performance levels within our quality management system.